First, a heartfelt thank you to everyone who joined us for the Global Update number 1. Your participation made it a powerful moment of unity, and we are thrilled by the energy it created. But now, it is time to look ahead. We are excited to announce live Global Update number 2, when Thursday, August 21st at 1 PM EST, where live on YouTube. The link will be shared before the event. This is a moment you don't want to miss. The SEC case has been fully resolved. Yes, you heard that right. Our attorneys defended us vigorously, and we reached an amicable resolution with no further allegations pending. We are deeply grateful for your patience, your trust, and your unwavering support throughout this process. Your encouragement kept us strong and focused. Even in challenging times, this brings an important chapter to a close. And most importantly, it clears the way for us to focus completely on the future. During live update number 2, Ash Mufare will be addressing your questions, submitted directly by the field. This is your chance to gain clarity, set the record straight, and ensure that no malicious distortion or misinformation clouds our shared vision. With the SEC matter resolved, our momentum is stronger than ever. The mission remains bold, the future is open, and together, we are moving forward with clarity, unity, and unstoppable determination. Stay tuned to O News, because the best is not behind us, it's about to be revealed.
We've come so far, step by step, through the trials, no regrets. The journey shaped the fire inside, now the future opens wide. Beyond the horizon, the light breaks through. A new day is rising, a vision true. Every step, every mile was worth the climb. Beyond the horizon, it's our time. Patience tested, but we stayed. Beyond the horizon, the light breaks through. A new day is rising, a vision true. Every step, every mile was worth the climb. Beyond the horizon, it's our time. This is the moment, no turning back. The future's calling. Stronger, we rise as one. A new chapter has begun. Find on the horizon, the light breaks through. A new day's rising, a vision true. Every step, every mile was worth the climb. Beyond the horizon, the light breaks through. A new day's rising, a vision true. Every step, every mile was worth the climb. Beyond the horizon, it's our time.